Good morning. This is lesson six, last day of week three. So remember, please pause this video, go and mark your attendance if you haven't already done so. Okay, so we're going to lesson six, which is the second lesson of exercise 4D. And you've got, let's scroll down, and you've got two videos to watch. The first one is using Tech Free, and you would then start doing exercise 4D. Then further on, if you want to then check your answers, this is one technique. However, there is another one. Remember, I have prepared a linear graphs program. So you'll find that on your calculator. And so click on this to watch the video on using the program. And I'll be referring to this program for other future exercises such as um, distance and midpoint of a line segment. So you'll find it very useful that you can use your calculator, especially in a tech able test or exam. So have a great lesson and make sure you keep up to date with exercises because we'll be moving on to lesson 7 on Monday. Have a good day.